This month, I visited my friend Jolei's tea house, and she taught us all about Chinese tea house etiquette. Now, Chinese tea houses are quite tranquil and peaceful, and a bunch of other words that describe boring. Just have a look if you don't believe me. Yep. Just this. If you go to one of these, you actually do get to learn a lot of etiquette. You get to choose what type of tea you like. You get to choose what cup you have. And then you learn about how you serve, who you serve first, and whatnot.
可以可以，听一下，嘎嘣脆，嘎嘣嘎嘣嘎嘣。
Let's go!
So, this month Jarlin and I celebrated 3 years together. That's quite a while, isn't it? To celebrate, we went to a Hong Kong restaurant for Hong Kong style hot pot. It was a really nice restaurant. Look at this place. Once a year, we celebrate Singles Day, a day of nationwide sales both online and in stores. Chinese spend a lot of money on Singles Day, and nowhere makes more money than Alibaba, China's leading retailer, which this year made the equivalent of $36 billion US. That's a lot of money. Of course, the brick and mortar stores have sales too, so I visited them, and I ran into an old friend. While doing shopping through 11:11, I just happened to run into my old friend Schneider and wife and baby. How cute. But how can I talk about shopping and discounts without mentioning Chengdu Digital Plaza, better known as Computer City, is a wonderland of consumer appliances. It has everything. It has computers, phones, cameras, even video games. This place is so big. It has like 6 floors. Check it out.
谢谢。
啊，就是一个来买的。